Yo, Dempsey. Yeah? I'm more thug than you. Prove it. Do a trick. Yeah, right. This is how it's done. Oh! It's okay, Dempsey. We're all thug on the inside. Yeah.
Maybach music.
Cells, what are they? They form all of life. They make up everything, all animals and plants. They are the basic units of all life. Every time I'm in the street, I hear cells, 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 cells. Now, what types are there? Eukaryotes, you know my killer. How about prokaryotes, salmonella? Don't mess with cells, they're the reason why you're here.
Cells have changed a lot over the Earth's whole history. This is why for most of us they remain a great mystery. It started with prokaryotes, which are made of one cell. They have no nucleus or any other organelles. Every cell is ribosomes, which are sites for protein synthesis. Proteins are then packaged in the Golgi apparatus. Every cell is DNA, it's the genetic code. It connects all living things, and for that it deserves an ode. Bacteria, peptoglycan, which antibiotics can target. Archaea have none, immune to the stuff from the market. Next came plants, which utilize chloroplasts. They have cell walls of cellulose, we learned that in class. Fungi have cell walls, they are made up of chitin. It is also found on insects, which makes them so frightening. Animals have no cell walls, which helps them communicate. They have receptors which are located on their cell membrane. From prokaryotes to eukaryotes, cells continue to change, but somehow it fits, evolution's the game.
Cells, 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 cells. Now, what types are there? Eukaryotes, you know my killer. How about prokaryotes, salmonella? Don't mess with cells, they're the reason why you're here.
All cells are closed up inside of a plasma membrane. If you do not have cholesterol in it, then it's a shame. Fluidity's a must, just like these words that I can slang. If it gets too cold, membranes can tighten up to be okay. It wraps mitochondria that's respirating, getting ATP for energy for you to move your muscles, check yourself. Everything from humans down to little bacteria cannot function without protein, so they have the ribosomes. 2 subunits of the ribosome shut up on the messenger RNA part. Now this is how the cell goes about doing its transcription, and it's all done based off DNA encryption. Don't forget the nucleus. This blueprints for us the DNA inside it's in lines unless it differs. It's there to make sure the cell works fine and does its role while it meshes all the organelles to do a specific job that's precious. Organelles all work together just to get a basic function, like make some glucose, move it, break it down for ATP. This is how the whole cell runs. Put them all together, they'll do work just like they're one.
Cells, 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 cells. Now, what types are there? Eukaryotes, you know my killer. How about prokaryotes, salmonella? Don't mess with cells, they're the reason why you're here.
Brace yourself, I'll teach you a lesson on cell signaling. This is not a rap on how I'm talking trash about this class. Listen up, I'm about to lecture on cell interactions. First it starts with a chemical message read by the cell. I'ma talk about the epinephrine cell response action. It's all about the fight or flight hormonal response. True that. Hooligans and gangsters hoping nephrine can help me. Adrenaline in my bloodstream are long distance signaling. A ligand's binding to a cell receptor. At the same time, cascades are flowing down. Now signal transduction pathway is going hard in the paint. The signal is amplified to its ultra max. That was back when I was scared, I'ma fight it back. The fight or flight response is very real, we will fight them back. My main managing protein is the boss. With the transduction, what is up? The secondary messengers is where it's at, you little punk. Cyclic AMP is on, targeting my liver, making my liver release glucose a lot coming from glycogen. Protein, kinase, ATP, active. That's what Belleville said when we were writing them long notes. Oh yeah, signals, oh they're so cool.
You're right. It is pretty thug in here. Fade to black. That Janet production.
If Pyros and Crips all got along, they probably got me down by the end of the song. Seem like the whole city go against me. Every time I'm in the street, I hear
This one goes out to Janet Harper Belleville. A hell of a year. Filled with laughs, smiles. Mrs. Janet Belleville, heck of a year it's been. Thanks for teaching us everything. And I'd like to thank the whole class for making it fun.
time I'm in the street, I hear check yourself. Oh.